Welcome to this tutorial on some aggregation across time periods. You will see how SAP Integrated Business Planning displays the quantity key figure when the planning view changes from technical weeks to weeks and then to months. First, review the core idea. SAP IBP stores key figure data at its configured base time level, and planning views aggregate those stored values to the requested time period. For quantity key figures with aggregation mode sum, the displayed period shows the total of the underlying buckets. Next, review the time level context. Planning views can display periods such as day, technical week, month, quarter, and year. A technical week can split a calendar week when the week spans 2 months, which supports consistent aggregation and disaggregation between weeks and months. Now, the tutorial flow is introduced. In this example, the key figure is Actuals Qty or ACTUALSQTY, configured with aggregation mode sum. The planning view will first display technical week data, then aggregate the same data to week, and finally aggregate it to month. Before working in Excel, the planning model is reviewed in the SAP IBP web application. The planning areas list is displayed, and the IIM planning area is highlighted. Open this planning area to check the key figure configuration used in the example. After opening the planning area detail page is displayed. The Key Figures tab is highlighted because the aggregation behavior is defined on the key figure. Click Key Figures to review the relevant key figure settings. After opening the Key Figures tab, the key figure list is displayed. The ACTUALSQTY key figure, named Actuals Qty, is highlighted. Select this key figure to view the aggregation settings used by the planning view. After selecting Actuals Qty, the key figure detail page is displayed. In the characteristics area, the aggregation mode field is highlighted and shows sum. This means values are added together when the planning view is displayed at a higher time level. Next, the planning view is shown in Microsoft Excel at the technical week level. The columns include technical week buckets, such as TW27a 2026 and TW27b 2026. These split buckets are the detailed values that will be aggregated in the next step. Now, click Edit View in the SAP IBP ribbon to change the planning view settings. The Edit Planning View window opens on Time Settings, and the time level field is highlighted. After opening the time level dropdown, the available levels are displayed, including day, week technical, week, month, quarter, and year. Select week so the planning view aggregates the technical week buckets into weekly periods. After selecting week, the time level field now shows week. The planning scope remains rolling, and the period range is updated for weekly buckets. Click OK to apply the setting to the worksheet. After confirming the settings, the worksheet refreshes and displays weekly period columns, such as W24-2026 through later weeks. In this example, values from split technical weeks are now shown as weekly totals, such as the highlighted W27-2026 period. Next, click Edit View again to aggregate the same planning data to a higher time level. The Edit Planning View window opens again, and the time level field currently shows week. After opening the time level dropdown again, choose month. This changes the display from weekly period buckets to monthly period buckets while keeping the same planning view structure. After selecting month, the time level field shows month. Click OK to apply the monthly aggregation to the planning view. After confirming the monthly setting, the worksheet refreshes with month columns such as June 2026, July 2026, and later months. In this example, the highlighted June 2026 value shows the sum of the underlying periods displayed at the monthly level. In summary, some aggregation across time periods starts with a key figure configured with aggregation mode sum. Then the planning view displays the same data at different time levels. In this workflow, technical week buckets are aggregated to week, and then weekly data is aggregated to month, so users can analyze the same quantity key figure at the period level needed for the task. The exact planning area, key figures, periods, and values may vary by system setup, template, and planning configuration. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it insightful.